Are you worried about making financial mistakes in your 30s? Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone in their 30s, the top 5 financial mistakes you need to avoid. Your 30s are a time of significant financial transition. You're likely earning more, thinking about buying a house, maybe even starting a family. But with these milestones come bigger financial responsibilities. We're going to break down these common pitfalls and, more importantly, how to avoid them so you can set yourself up for long-term financial success. Let's get started. Alright, let's be real for a second. Budgeting isn't the most glamorous topic. It's not as exciting as, say, picking out a new car or planning a vacation. But trust me, it's absolutely crucial. You need to know where your money is going every single month. Without a budget, it's like driving with your eyes closed. You might be speeding towards a financial cliff and not even know it. Think of a budget as your financial roadmap. It helps you track your income, expenses, and identify areas where you can potentially save more. Remember that budgeting isn't about restricting yourself. It's about being in control of your money so you can make it work for you. There are tons of budgeting apps and methods out there, so find one that clicks with you. The key is consistency. Make it a habit to review your budget regularly, adjust it as needed, and watch your financial awareness skyrocket. Credit card debt, payday loans, some student loans. These are the financial traps you need to avoid like the plague. High interest rates can quickly snowball, making it feel like you're drowning in debt. Imagine this. You're only making minimum payments on a credit card with a 20% interest rate. A large chunk of your payment is just going towards interest, barely making a dent in the principal. That means you end up paying way more in the long run. My advice? Attack high-interest debt aggressively. Consider debt snowball or avalanche methods. Prioritize paying down the debt with the highest interest rate first, while making minimum payments on others. Once that's gone, roll that payment amount to the next highest one. It's a marathon, not a sprint, but you can do it. Remember, the goal is to become debt-free and stay that way. It takes discipline and consistency, but the financial freedom you gain is worth every sacrifice. You've probably heard the saying, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, the second best time is now. The same goes for investing. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow through the power of compound interest. Compound interest is like magic. It's basically earning interest on your interest. Even small contributions made consistently over time can grow into a substantial nest egg. Don't get overwhelmed by the complexities of investing. Start simple. Open a Roth IRA, explore low-cost index funds, or consider a robo-advisor if you prefer a hands-off approach. The key is to start investing as early as possible, even if it's just a small amount. Your future self will thank you later. Life throws curveballs when you least expect it. Car trouble, unexpected medical bills, a sudden job loss. These are all situations that can derail your finances if you're not prepared. That's where an emergency fund comes in clutch. It's your financial safety net, designed to cover those unexpected expenses without having to rely on credit cards or going into debt. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. Yes, it takes time to build, but start small and be consistent. Treat it like a non-negotiable expense and automate your savings. That way, you're consistently building your financial cushion without even thinking about it. We've all been there. You get a raise, a promotion, or land a higher-paying job. Suddenly, you feel flush with cash and tempted to upgrade your lifestyle. A bigger apartment, a fancier car, more extravagant vacations. It's easy to fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation. But here's the thing. Lifestyle inflation can sabotage your financial goals without you even realizing it. Sure, that new car might smell great, but is it worth sacrificing your financial future for? My advice? Be mindful of your spending habits, especially when your income increases. Instead of immediately upgrading your lifestyle, consider investing that extra income, paying down debt, or boosting your savings. Remember, true wealth isn't about keeping up with the Joneses. It's about achieving your financial goals and living a life of financial freedom on your own terms. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips and advice. Remember, your 30s are a critical time to make smart financial decisions that will set you up for long-term success. By avoiding these common mistakes and implementing the strategies we discussed, you can take control of your finances and build a brighter financial future. See you in the next video.